Okay, well, I've been sanding the top a bit. You can see I had like a gold bondo in here, and this is the regular pink. There's a depression here, but I just block sanded it a little bit. You can see the way it's widened. This fiberglass here and here, it's showing you that it's really basically low. So skim these edges mostly. A little high spot here, but it's not bad. All this needs to be built up. So, pretty good. I'll leave these clamps on until tomorrow. I'm trying to pinch. There's resin in here still. Squash it down as flat as I can because it makes a sharp edge there. I'm gonna help true this up a little. This one needs a little tightening, huh? And we'll see how it looks tomorrow.